Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Sharia Shantias Nico and my ID number is 253160221. This is my web development and essential lab final project for CS133L. The project is called TravelGo Discover Bangladesh, which is a responsive tourism website designed for a fictional Bangladeshi travel agency. The main purpose of this website is to allow users to explore destinations, view and compare tour packages, calculate trip cost, manage a wish list, browse a gallery, and a contact that they can contact with the travel agency. Mainly, the project is developing using HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap 5, Bootstrap icons, and JavaScript. The project contains 6 main pages. If I show you in VS Code file, that is home, destination, packages, gallery, booking, and contact. There are separate CSS file and also JavaScript files are there. Now, if you look into that, now I'm going to run the complete project and demonstrate its major features and functionalities in my website. So, this is our home page. At the top of, we have the responsive navigation bar with links to all the major pages: destination, packages, gallery, booking, contact. As you can see, the cursor automatically changes between different sliders. Users can also navigate manually using the previous and next button. Here is the previous button and here is the next button. If they click explore now, it will directly get into the explore destination page, where after they return home and slowly scroll down, they'll find that of the card button, as well as if you go to the destination page. Now I am demonstrating you to the destination page. This place display very different tourist destination of Bangladesh. The main iterative feature is the live destination search. Here is the live destination search. If I change the destination search item, the result update dynamically without the reloading the page. So to say, yes, if I search Cox, then it will show me Cox Bazar. That's one of the features of our destination page. Now, if I go to the packages page, here user can view very different packages with their prices. Here is the standard prices, premium prices, and as well as the luxury prices. The page uses responsive bootstrap cards and a comparison section. Here is the comparison section to make the packages easy to understand. Each package also has an interactive detail button. Here is the view details button, book now, and view details button. If I click on that button, it will show me the details of this package. And now, if I go to the gallery page, it will show all the responsive photo gallery which are created using CSS brick. Here is the responsive images. You can see that. There is also a zoom effect here, which is implemented using CSS transition and transform properties. Now, if I go to the booking pages, you can see that here I use JavaScript features like trip cost calculator. Here, if I want to calculate any of my trips, I will select my destination, number of members, say to say is 5, and hotel type is premium, and transport type, say to say it's train. And if I now click calculate, it will calculate my whole budget. And I wish that I made that using JavaScript. And now if I go to that wish list manager, I can add a destination to my personal wish list, like as subject, then I will add it. It will add to my wish list manager. This is because the project uses the browser's local storage to preset wishlist data. I can also remove that item. If I click on that remove list, it will remove. Now, here's some. If I go to the contact page, here will be that the page contains a contact form with custom JavaScript validation. Here is a contact form. If I try to submit the form without providing required information, such as email is required, name is required, message is required, the website displayed validation message. Say to say, here, the website displayed a validation message. It also checks whether the email format is valid or not. After providing the valid information, the form can show a success confirmation, and that will show after later. And if we scroll down, we'll check a FAQ, frequently asked question part. It expands and collapses interactively using the according component. If I zoom in and click on that, it will expand and collapse into that effect. Can I cancel my booking? Yes, and then expand and collapse. And if I say overall all this here, also I forgot that I use a JS demo, JavaScript demo, to make my website more interactive, or you can say that a little bit fun. So in my full website, I use media query to responsive bit. And now if I show to the code, here's my all code. I did all the separate HTML coded for every pages, booking HTML, contact HTML, destination, gallery, index, packages, also images section. I have selected all the images in sequential. Also in JS files, there's the calculator for JS, converter for JS, script JS, search JS, and in CSS in this CSS folder, I did all the responsive CSS in one folder, and then another one is just my style.css in another file, so that I can manage them properly. Okay, and overall, the JavaScript file handles all the features such as that calculator. If I show that calculator, converter, wish list, and the HTML structure, CSS styling, and responsive design all makes that components. I also use DOM manipulations, dynamic content. So here's my overall project. There's also footer also. And in conclusion, I will say that the website successfully combines HTML, CSS5, HTML, CSS, HTML5, HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap 5, and JavaScript to create all this responsive interactive tourism website. You see that I have demonstrated the major features, including the hero carousel, the destination search, package details, models, responsive gallery, trip cost, calculator, wish list, local storage, and FAQ, accordation, and responsive design. So I have described all the features and full website in front of you, and this is my code. It's a kind of project report to submit. That's it. That's from my side. Thank you all for watching my project demonstration. Thank you.